Okay, for something like 12, there's a variety of ways of doing it, but my understanding is if I can visualize this, there's a good chance I'll be able to do the integration. So I'm going to try to visualize what this looks like. And I want to graph the integrand first, which is y equals the absolute value of 2 minus x. What does that look like? Well, at 2, I'll put this over here. You're going to get a 0. It's going to have a V shape to it. And at 0, what's going to happen? It's going to go up to 2. And again, this doesn't have to be terribly accurate. Yeah, enough for me to understand the visualization of it, though. Something like this over here. Now, where are we going from? We're going from 0 to 4. So if I were to visualize that, that's 0 up to 2, and then 4, let me just do that. 1, 2. That's going to be where 4 is, right? I'll put this over here. Again, not the best picture in the world. Let's put the points down for you. There's a bunch of them. So this point over here is going to be where x is 2 and the y would be 0. This point over here is 0, 0. This point over here is going to be 0. It's on the function itself. That'd be the absolute value of 2, which is 2. Let's put this point over here. That's 4. We're stopping at 4. And if you plug in 4, you get 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. The absolute value of that is 2. All right? So these areas really are identical. Though my picture, it may not be the best picture in the world, but it's sort of good. So what do I do over here? I write it down. And what do I get over here? Just by looking at the picture, 1/2. I'm going to do the first triangle. 1/2 times the base. Its base is 2, and its height is 2. Plus the next one, its base, well, it's from 4 to 2, so it's still going to be 2. And its height is still 2. So what do you get over there? You get 2 plus 2, which is 4. Look at the key and see if you see that. And again, it says, expected to visualize using simple geometry. And we did do that. Are there other ways to do it? Of course there are. But this is the way we want you to approach the problem initially. And it really does save you with some more difficult problems later on if you have some sense of visualization before attempting an integration. Thank you.